Good morning from polluted, foggy, misty Chengdu, China. Today I'm just headed to Martin's place to meet him. Then we're going to put the bikes on the trailer. We're going to head to a place called Jintang in the east of Chengdu. It's about a 2-hour drive from his house, so it's a bit of a pain in the arse to actually get to this place. So I arrive at my favourite petrol station again. I just got petrol, now I'm heading to Martin's community. Driving down the wrong side of the highway. Nobody cares. Okay, we got the bikes off the trailer and we're all ready to go. Apparently there's a short loop which we're going to do this morning, and there's a longer loop which we're going to do this afternoon. I have absolutely no idea what this place is. Kind of looks like an abandoned old factory area or something, but we just seen like a shit ton of nice cars. Yeah, it's very weird. Well, here we go. Jesus Christ, that's a good start. Whoa. It's quite loose here. That's cool. What the f... Well, I kind of like brute forced that one. I wasn't expecting it. Oh, this is actually fucking amazing, but probably it looks a lot flatter on the video than it does in real life, probably, you know? Martin! Fuck me! That was like straight from the road into that hill climb. I was like, oh my god, I'm not prepared. Yeah, it was fine. Oh, that was nice, Philip. Nice and technical. Well done. Where the fuck is he going? Oh well. Oh my god. Oh, this is fucking steep. Oh, I control that hill climb a lot better. Fuck. So we're going to go back up the same road. Apparently it's quite tricky, which means it's probably very tricky. But yeah, we're going to take it slow. I'm going to try and work a bit of technique. This motherfucker's waiting for me to fail. I know it. Nice. Oh, not nice. Oh no, where's he going? Nice save. Nice save. You alright? Oh, it's a tough one, this, isn't it? Ah, I didn't see that coming. Fucking hell. These roads come out of the blue. Motherfucker. Okay, here we go, fuck it. Fuck's sake! Fucking hate you, honestly. Okay, so we're just gonna start again. Don't know where we're going. Today the weather's not too bad actually. Feels like it's gonna rain, so there's not a lot of humidity, thank God. Oh, we're going straight this time, okay. Here we go. Put my visor down. Martin kicking dust in my eyeball, man. gear am I in? That's the Anna, son. Go on, son. Fucking hell. Whoa! Okay, so I had a bad crash. My petrol tank fell off. But we're still gonna go. Okay, here we go. Martin, bastard. I don't like it when he goes down a road with no trail. It always makes me wonder why there's no trail. And that was sensible, wasn't it, Martin? Fuck! There we go. Oh, they're nice ones. Man, those are great hill climbs. Not too difficult. You have space to actually, you have space to actually run up. Man, now that gas tank is off the front of my bike, feels a million times easier to control. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. There we are. Nice, Philip. Oh, fucking not nice, Philip. Jesus Christ. Oh, remember when I said it wasn't dangerous? Well, now we're on the side of a cliff again. Nice view though. Shame you can't look at it or you'll die, but nice view all the same. That's good, Philip. I have more confidence going downhill. It's better. You alright? Are we going down there? Malaga Bee. You know, I don't know why I do it. My brake's absolutely screaming for mercy. Fuck me! Yes. No, I can't get back up here, can I?
Or
straight off the cliff.
You just go all the way, going down, 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 until that valley,
Yeah.
and then from that valley, straight up. That straight up is fucked up. But we are two people, so we can help each other.
Yeah.
I mean, I have done it so many times.
Oh, okay, let's do it then. It's better than going back up here.
Oh, this is much easier.
This is much easier. What? Okay, I've been warned of a small cliff a bit further down, which is great. It's just what I like to hear. That's just what I like on the trail. Small cliffs makes everything better. Makes it more fun. Fucking hell! You have my fucking eyes out. Looks a bit rough. Oh, there we are.